Connect gas cylinder. Connect the hot air motor's power cord. Connect the roaster's aviation plug. Turn on the power of the touch screen. Open the gas cylinder. Open the hot air and drum, then click heating. Slowly adjust the valve knob. Preheat with 1 kilopascal gas pressure for 30–35 mins. After preheating, I lowered the temperature to around 150 C. Set the hot air speed to 40% and the drum speed to 83%. Reset the first crack time and click start to record the TP time. Cool down to around 150 C, then reheat to around 180 C before adding the beans. I first used 2.5–3 kPa pressure for roasting. When the temperature rises to around 180 C, add the beans. The roaster will automatically record the temperature return point time. During the roasting process, users should roast according to their own needs and roar. Users need to adjust the pressure kPa value to regulate the specific temperature according to their own needs. Use a sample spoon to observe the condition of the beans. During roasting, adjust the gas pressure according to your needs. After hearing a series of first crack sounds, click first crack to record the time. After the first crack, you can add hot air speed and reduce the fire. Observe the condition of the beans constantly. Before taking out the beans, turn on the cooling and mixing functions. Open the bean door. The coffee beans will be cooled quickly. After cooling is completed, turn off the cooling and heating functions, and then return the valve knob to its original position. Roasting complete.